a sustainable approach. So in this presentation we're going to talk about the problems and the solutions we provide our product, market and competition and sustainable business model. A sustainable business committed to promoting social, environmental and economic sustainability. A business operates with understanding that action have an impact on the world around us, and we are dedicated to make a positive impact through sustainable practices. In this presentation, we will showcase our initiatives and efforts across various departments to achieve our sustainability goals. We believe that by promoting sustainability, we can create a more equitable and resilient future for our communities and the planet. The company is reform, and the tagline is sustainability meets style. We are an eco-friendly refurbished furniture making company aimed to minimizing the carbon footprint. Having sustainable goal in our business is our main objective and mission to lead the sector by having sustainability, minimizing waste generated in all the processes, having utmost love and care in our values and product. So our motto is we are committed to reducing our carbon footprint, minimizing waste, promoting sustainable practices in everything we do. Okay, so this is our team.
Problems. The furniture industry faces the major change by reducing waste and promoting sustainable practices as the furniture production continue to contribute to deforestation and greenhouse gas emissions and other environmental issues. Okay. Company. Other company privatization, profit or the sustainability and no environmental friendly materials and not privatization repairs the and reuse of the furniture and company environmental friendly materials also reclaim and recycle the materials and privatization reuse of the repairs. The company we offering the furniture that is not only affordable but the sustainable and socially responsible, supporting the circular economy.
So now we are going to talk about the SWOT analysis. Starting with the strength, it is environmental friendly and repair, as well as we can reuse it. It is affordable, and as well as we can promote the circular economy from starting to the end point by reusing the furniture as well. Second, we come with the demand and sustainable of the furniture's option, increase awareness of the environmental impact and potential to expand our business on the various aspects. The limited availability of use of furniture, limited reach and awareness. Challenges is to maintaining the constant quality and aspects of the appeal. Competition from other refurbished threats. The competition from other refurbished traditional furniture retails, change in consumer behavior of or preference, economic downturn or disruption. What our product line is, we are going to have two product line. On the basis we have commercial and domestic. In commercial we use the office furnitures, restaurant furnitures and hotel furnitures. We provide the commercial furnitures to them, as well as in domestic we provide them living room furnitures, bedroom furnitures and dining room furnitures. Statistics. This is a graph of Indian furniture industry, in which we can show the waste which is generated is 4.5 million tons from the wood wastage, you can see in this graph. Second, we have agriculture waste, which is known as agro waste, and third is the sawdust. Sawdust is the dust. While cutting the trees, we produce some dust that is called as sawdust. The millions of dollars lost due to this furniture wastage, over 6.15% annually increased in Indian wood wastage, and 5 to 10% waste is recycled.
So, talking about sustainable development is about meeting the needs of present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. There are three pillars. That is, sustainable development involves balancing economic, social, and environmental considerations. The goals of sustainable development are to promote resource efficiency, reduce waste and pollution, and ensure social equality and inclusion. Strategies for achieving sustainable development include natural resources more efficiently, using renewable energy resources, protecting natural habitats and ecosystems, and promoting social and economic justice. Collaboration. Sustainable development requires collaboration and cooperation between governments, businesses, communities, individuals at all levels. The benefits of sustainable development include environmental protection, economic growth, and social and global cooperation. Sustainable development is an ongoing process. So sustainable development extends the life in our business. Sustainable development, by applying that, we can extend the life of the existing furniture. We can source locally, and transportation emissions are going to be low. Supporting the local economy is also our main aim. We use a sustainable or reclaimed materials. That means if you have any materials lying in your home, or if you have any furniture that is kept aside, not in use, you can just donate it to us, or we can claim it from other resources, using the raw materials, converting into new products that are affordable. Eco-friendly methods and materials. The methods that are we going to use are going to be economical, that is environmental friendly. We are going to educate about customers and environmental benefits and promote sustainable living. Now these are the sustainable goals, sustainable development goals developed by United Nations in 2015. These are no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitation, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry, innovation, infrastructure, reduce inequality, sustainable cities and communities, responsible communication, consumption and production, climate action, life below water, life on land, peace, justice, and strong institutions. Now, what this means in our sustainable business, that is refurbished business that we have. So, refurbished furniture businesses can fulfill several sustainable goals such as waste reduction. By refurbishing furniture, the businesses can reduce the amount of furniture that ends up in landfills, contributing to waste reduction and promoting a circular economy. Resource conversion. Refurbishing furniture helps conserve natural resources by reducing the need for new furniture production and the associated resource consumption such as energy, water, and raw materials. We also see carbon emissions reduction. By reducing the need for new furniture production, a refurbished furniture business can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions associated with furniture manufacturing, transportation, and disposal. Sustainable material use. The business can promote sustainable material use by sourcing furniture made from reclaimed or sustainable materials. Local economic support. Business also supports the local economy by providing employment opportunities and promoting sustainable practices. Education and awareness. Educate customers about environmental benefits of the refurbished products. Overall, a refurbished furniture business can contribute to a more sustainable economy, reducing waste and greenhouse emissions.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Vishnu Giri, and today I'm going to talk about the operations and supply chain department. So, being the head of the operation and supply chain department, these are the some practices we can practice as a operation and supply chain to reach the goal of the sustainability. So operation and supply chain can partner with the local suppliers, which can reduce the transportation cost, reduce carbon emissions by minimizing long distance transportation and help local economy too. So second practice can be use eco-friendly packaging. So using recycled and upcycled materials for packaging, and in addition use of biodegradable or compostable materials to reduce the waste and environmental impact. The third practice can be implement a reverse logistic system. This system can help in return the used furniture product from the customer and refurbishment of those used furniture, resulting in reducing the waste and extending the life of the products. The next point can be conduct regular supplier audits. It can ensure that they are adhering to sustainability standards and identify the areas for improvement. So next practice can be utilize the technology and to optimize the transportation. So by using preferred technologies like route optimization software, the business can reduce fuel consumption and CO2 emission by optimizing the routes, and it can improve delivery times and it can increase the customer satisfaction too. So and we can also use the renewable energy sources. Using renewable energy sources such as solar or wind power, which can reduce the carbon footprint. And we can also foster a culture of sustainability throughout the organization. We can foster a culture of sustainability to empower each employee to take the sustainability initiatives and also to achieve the towards a shared goal. So these are the research we found that 55% of there is 55% increase in earning before income interest and tax margins on average. This study was conducted by McKinsey, and there is also another study by customer data platform CDP that companies that disclose their environmental impact outperform appears financially by an average of 67%. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Snehan Maji. I am the head of the research and development of our company. Starting with the initiatives, experiment with sustainable material. Research and experiment with sustainable material that can be used to make furniture such as bamboo, reclaimed woods and recycled plastics. The things we are using in experiment and sustainable materials, they are woods and bamboo, we are using recycled woods, bamboo as well as the recycled plastics. Develop sustainable production techniques. Develop and implement sustainable production techniques that reduce waste, low energy consumption and minimize the use of harmful chemicals. The less use of harmful chemical is we are preferring, and using of low energy help us to develop the sustainable production techniques. Conducting consumer survey to understand the consumer need and prefer use this data to develop new product and service that meet the demand. Collaboration with design school to develop innovative and sustainable furniture and design that can be produced on a large scale. Exploring new market opportunity. Research and identify new market opportunity for sustainable furniture such as eco-friendly hotels, co-working space and other businesses that can prioritize for sustainability. Develop partnership with suppliers, manufacturers and other business that shares the same value of sustainability and work together to develop new product and serve. Explore alternative business. model, research and experiment with alternative business models such as circular economic model that can promote sustainability and reduce the waste in furniture industry. This is the impact we are going to create. The furniture market is expected to grow at a CAG of 5.2%, increase productivity and reduce cost, and improve the quality of the product.
Hello, my name is Sagwage. I'm the production manager. So these are the initiatives we have taken in our production management. Implement a closed loop production process. And the production process team implement a closed loop production process that involves designing furniture products in a way that allows for easy disassembly and recycling of components at the end of their useful life. This reduces the amount of waste generated and promotes a circular economy. Use of energy efficient equipment. The team use energy efficient equipment such as LED lighting, high efficiency motors, and energy saving appliances in their facilities. This reduces energy consumption and helps to lower greenhouse gas effects. Implement a waste management system. The production management implemented a waste management system that includes recycling, composting, and proper disposal of hazardous waste, that is the chemicals used in production of furniture. This reduces the amount of waste sent to landfills and promotes resource conservation. Reduce transportation emission. The team reduced transportation emissions by sourcing materials and products that are locally, using electric or hybrid vehicles for transportation, and optimizing delivery routes to minimize emissions. Educate employees and customers. The team educate their employees and customers about the importance of sustainability and how they can attribute to it. Now these are the impact created by sustainable practices in production management. Efficient production process can reduce waste generated by up to 90%. And energy efficient manufacturing can reduce energy consumption by up to 30%.
So as a marketing head, there are a few initiatives that are taken in sales and marketing department. First is promote the environmental benefit of refurbished furniture. Create social media posts or blog content that highlight the benefit of choosing refurbished furniture over new furniture, such as reducing waste, conserving resources, and minimizing the carbon footprint of furniture production. Develop partnership with eco-friendly brands. Partner with eco-friendly brands that have a strong commitment to sustainability, such as those that use sustainable materials or have a closed-loop manufacturing process. You can feature their products alongside your refurbished furniture and create cross-promotions that highlight both companies' sustainability efforts. Offer sustainable packaging options. Use recyclable or biodegradable packaging material for your furniture shipments. You can also offer customers the option to have their furniture delivered in reusable containers that can be returned to you for reuse. Develop a sustainable marketing strategy. Use digital marketing channels such as social media and email marketing to reduce paper usage. You can also promote the eco-friendly transportation option for events and trade shows, such as carpooling or public transportation. Support sustainable events and sponsorship. Sponsor or participate in events focused on environmental causes or organizations that promote sustainability. For example, you can sponsor a beach cleanup event or participate in a local eco-fest. So, according to the survey, we can say that 80% of consumers said that they would purchase a brand or any product because the company advocated an issue they care about. Like, according to a survey conducted by Sensor, 63% of consumers prefer to purchase products and services from companies that are doing their part for the environment and society. In a survey by Nielsen, 66% of global consumers said they would pay more for sustainable brands.
Good morning everyone. So I am here to tell about the finance management. So use sustainability finance option, research growing bonds and social impact investing to understand how they work and how your business can qualify for them. Contact a financial advisor or a bank that specializes in sustainable finance option to explore your option. Second, conduct a sustainability audit. Schedule an audit of your business operation with sustainability consultant. They will help you identify area where you can reduce waste, energy usage or water consumption. Invest in energy efficient equipment. Implement a waste management plan. Identify the type of waste your business generates and explore options for reducing, recycling or donating unwanted items. Provide initiative for sustainable behavior. This is the impact. Sustainable bond or loans reaching a record high of 491 billion in 2020, a 63% increase from the previous year. 66% of global consumers are willing to pay more for sustainable brand, while 73% of minimals are willing to pay extra for sustainable offers.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Aida Patrick. I'll be from the HR department. The initiative here is to promote sustainable practices among employees. The HR team can educate employees about sustainable practices and encourage them to adopt eco-friendly habits at work, such as reducing paper usage, using reusable water bottles and coffee mugs, and turning off lights and electronics when not in use. The second one is implement green recruitment practices. The HR team can implement green recruitment practices such as using online recruitment tools to reduce paper usage and travel for interviews and seeking out candidates with demonstrated commitment to sustainability. The third point is offer sustainable training and development. The HR team can offer sustainability training and development opportunity for employees, such as training on eco-friendly practices, sustainable living, and environmental stewardship. This can help to create a culture of sustainability within the organization. The fourth one is support employees' wellness. The HR team can support employee wellness by offering initiatives such as healthy food options in the cafeteria, opportunities for physical activities during breaks, and stress-reducing activities such as yoga or meditation by promoting healthy habits and reducing stress. The organization can help employees lead more sustainable and fulfilling lives. And the last one is develop sustainability-focused employee engagement program. The HR team can develop a sustainability-focused employee engagement program such as sustainability committee or a green team that focuses on promoting sustainability within the organization. This can involve organizing sustainability events, developing sustainability initiatives, and encouraging employee participation in sustainability efforts. The impact here is 87% of millennials says they will be more loyal to a company that helps them contribute to social and environmental issues. The second is 75% of employees are more likely to accept a job offer from a company that actively engages in environmentally friendly practices.